sizzling Bok Choy delight with garlicky goodness and oyster sauce. Welcome back, food enthusiasts, to another delectable episode of our hometown food Malaysian Chinese cooking series. Today we are diving into the vibrant world of greens as we unlock the secrets behind the perfect stir-fried easy bok choy, a dish that not only promising a burst of flavors but also carries a fascinating history behind its name. But first, let's address the burning question: why it's called bok choy? Well, it's fascinating linguistic journey. The term bok choy is derived from the Cantonese words bok meaning white and choy meaning vegetable. So essentially it translates to white vegetables, a note to its plain cabbage-like stalks. Without further ado, let's get started to cook this fantastic dish. First, we will need some fresh bok choy. Grab a sharp knife and slice the bok choy into bite-sized pieces, separating the stems from the leaves. Heat the 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium-high heat. Let it shimmer. Once the oil is hot, toss in the minced garlic. It is about 2 cloves of garlic, equivalent to 2 teaspoons of minced garlic here. If you would like your bok choy to be more garlicky, you can add on more garlic cloves for sure. Make sure to stir continuously, ensuring that the garlic doesn't burn. Next step is to add a dash of sesame oil, which is optional. Sesame oil adds a delightful depth of flavor when used for sauteing and stir-frying. Its nutty and aromatic notes can elevate your dishes to new heights. Now it's time to add our secret ingredient, oyster sauce. It's about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce is a magic ingredient to add umami to stir-fried bok choy. Next, let's add on the bok choy stems to the frying pan and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften. The tips here is to add ingredients in order from hardest to softest so that all of the vegetables are crisp tender at the end. You also can choose to close the lid in between. Now add the bok choy leaves and continue to stir fry for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the leaves wilt but are still vibrant green color. Keep stirring, making sure all the flavors are well combined. Final step, add on 1 tablespoon Chinese ShaoXing wine. The Chinese ShaoXing wine is a pantry staple for us, and soy reduction in this recipe provides just enough salt to season the vegetable as well as just a hint of sweetness, but not enough to overwhelm the delicate flavors the bok choy is already bringing to the dish. Here you go, ready to serve our stir-fried bok choy, less than 5 minutes stir-fry. Every delectable bite is bursting with the flavors of garlic and oyster sauce, creating a harmonious balance of taste and texture. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and are inspired to try it in your own kitchen. Check out my hometown food cooking full episodes in the description link below. Don't forget to share your creation with me and leave the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Releasing new recipes each week. See you in the next video.